Tips to enjoy the vacation to the fullest. The whole point of vacation is to relax and relieve stress, but sometimes travelers spend a little time of thinking about stuffs what is left and undone. Most of the people take vacation once in a year, so that they become excited and want to enjoy it without any gap. But this situation is rather more stressful, so it's always wise to take breaks in every quarter to enjoy your time its fullest. Let's learn some tips to make the vacation more relaxing. 1. Create a vacation that suits your style. If your vacation doesn't fit to your style, then it will add up more stress in your journey. Always make sure to add activities that you love to do. For example, some people want to take part in the adventurous activities. 2. Slow down your itinerary. Most travelers plan their vacation days with too many activities that can easily stress up if one activity is left undone. That's why the travel experts always suggest that a slow travel trend is a healthy option for enjoying and relaxing to its optimum. 3. Pack smartly. Sometimes packing some neutral color stuffs helps you to reduce overpacking issues for the vacation, but it's also not the right solution. When you plan smartly, it helps you to pack the outfits in proper manner and saves space from the luggage. 4. Balance your activities. When you balance your activities of resting and being active in your vacation, it will lower your stress level and help you to spend the vacation happily. 5. Join a tour group. When you plan alone, it always make your arrangement more stressful. So join a group where the tour manager can help you out with all the needs. You also can hire a tour guide at the destination if you want to explore the place more thoroughly. 6. Exploring the underrated vacation destinations. There is always a push in famous visiting place in certain time of the year, so at that particular time if you explore the less known places, then it would be helpful to get new cultural notions in your travel bucket. Also check out with locals about the famous cuisine details and where is the suitable place to enjoy it. 7. Digital detox time. Vacation is all about relieving your regular stressful life by ditching all those irritating digital gadgets. 8. Buffer up the vacation. Some of us work till the last minute of the flight for the vacation, and in hurry we miss some valuables to pack. Make sure to keep extra days in hand, which can help you to pack properly and dive back slowly when you come back from vacation. 9. Be relaxed and have patience. While you are out on a vacation and something isn't happening as you expected, then don't lose hope and keep patience. Everything has its own time. As per travelers, unplanned events give the best memories than the planned ones. As per some travel experts, a traveler should always go with the flow to enjoy the different possibility around that gives exceptional memories for life.